If you're getting traffic, but no calls, no form submissions, no leads, your website isn't working. And it's not because your business is bad. It's because your site is broken in ways that cost you money. Today, I'm going to show you exactly why that happens and how to fix it. Most small business websites are losing customers every single day, and they don't even realize it. Here's what I see over and over. Business owners think, I have a website, so I should be getting customers. But what they actually have is a site with no clear call to action, a slow load times, confusing layouts, no trust signals, so people visit and leave. No conversion, no lead, no money. I mean, you see a crazy website like this and a customer comes here and goes, wait a minute, what is this? And they just bounce. I mean, this is a horrible solution, but you get the idea. There's no clear objective, no good website. Yeah, that website is bad. What do they see? They see a bunch of text, maybe a logo, maybe a menu, but what they don't see is what you do immediately. Why they should trust you. What they should do next, so they bounce. That's a lost customer. Look, here I threw together a quick demo. You need a call to action. You need to know what they need to do, how they get to you. Call now, get a quote, book service. Like, this is straight, quick and easy contact to somebody. This is straight to the point. This is what you want. If your site takes more than 2 to 3 seconds to load, people leave. They don't wait. They don't care. Slow sites, lost money. Fourth, simplicity. Too many websites try to do too much. You don't need 10 pages, complex layouts, fancy animations. You need clarity, speed, direction. Most websites don't fail because the business is bad. They fail because they're not built to convert. Fix that and everything else changes. Simplicity. If it's not easy to read and a customer doesn't understand what you're offering, they're leaving. I have built a website automation script and I created a video around it. I'm going to show it to you right now, how easy it is to interface with my products and get a product that works for you, helps you convert leads and everything. If you want to stick around for automation and other tips and tools that I'm doing, so like and subscribe down below. I'm going to show you how we did this because I build in public.
Dopamine. Dopamine.
I'm Erik Anderson, and thanks for checking this out today.